Nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly wengane zakwethu uyabona ubaba uNcamalala wathi mayekhuluma lento esitshela ngomkhonto ngo-2023 ngoDisemba 16 sathi mbo sonke ngoba sasazi ukuthi lento akayikhulumayo lento esihlala sifisa. Namanje siyabuka izinto ziyenzeka koBurkina Faso, koMali. Siyafisa ukubona sikulesi simo nathi njengeSouth Africa. Kodwa la ngikhona kula ukuthi lento ubaba akathembisile ukuthi umkhonto uzoyenzela abantu mabengavotela abantu umkhonto. Uwe wena njengomlandeli womkhonto, njengesisebenzi somkhonto esizokwenza sure ukuthi yenzeka leyo nto wena wedwa. Ayikho leadership that will come and change impilo zabantu. Abantu abazoshintsha impilo zabantu yini ma-ground forces. Uyabona nje ubusebenza lapho ubhizi ushawo door to door, uma kungenzeka ushayiswe imoto lapho, labantu abavotelile abaholayo njenganamhlanje, they will never even bother to collect i-20 rand ukukusiza, whether nge-operation, whether ngokuthi ulambile ngoba awusakwazi ukusebenza. Like for instance thina esisebenzayo, uma kungenzeka ngibe nenkinga mina, angeke ngize ngisakwazi ukuthi ngithi kunemali ezongena. So makwenzeka ngibuya ku-door to door or ngiku-door to door ngishayiswe imoto okanye ngifike ngilunywe yinja, they will never even donate i-20 rand. Yet wena ushaya i-door to door for ukuthi bona babe lapha bakhona. Masebe lapha bakhona, they forget about you. Khona la emkhontweni ningithuke manithanda, I don't care. Ningithuke anginandaba. Labantu laba balapha yaphezulu, yithi we sweat thina la phansi. Not once ukuthi kune program. We sweat daily. Sibiza abantu sibabizele emkhontweni, silanda abantu sibalanda sibaletha la because we understand the vision kababa ukuthi i-230 soyithola kanjani, mase siyitholile i-230 kuzokwenzakalani. So wena the change that ubaba is talking about uzoyenza, not leadership. Leadership, they don't care about that thing. They are only there to work for their families. You need to understand that. Ngicela ukubonga uCommander uNandi Qhawekazi, akashonga ukuthi ngikhulume la, but ngizombonga. Ngacela ngihlale ngicela la, ngicelela ama-commanders lawo ngihlale ngikhuluma ngawo aku-exile ngenxa yokuthi babona kubulawa abantu ababebuya nabo kuyosebenza ku-VD. Ngihlala ngikhuluma, niyayazi angeke ngilo ngiphinda ngicela eqaleni. So ngihlala ngibacelela iminikelo because abanalutho la bekhona. So uNandi ungisendele i-wallet ngabadlulisela bathi ngibonge. So ngiyanitshela nani, ngintshela nje ngamabomu because na last ngicelile no one even came forth. Okay, the other time months back you did, but this time around I asked, no one came through, not even a single person. So namhlanje bebengikhalela bethi abanani bazamile bakhuluma no-TG wara angisafuna ukukhuluma ngamagama abantu after I'm done doing that. I understand, that's why ngithi mina namhlanje emkhontweni umuntu ozoletha ushintsho, lolu shintsho akathi ubaba umkhonto uzonakekela abantu. Uwe ushintsho aluzi ne-leadership yomkhonto, aluzi na anyone ophezulu emkhontweni. Those people mangakubalela umuntu abantu abakhulu engikhulume nabo recently this week regarding le issue yalabantu, ngikutshela ukuthi bangiphendule bathini. Ngithi abantu abalapha, you work hard. Wena njenge-ground force wenza u-door to door, wena wenza sure ukuthi ku-VD everything is done ngendlela. Once they are amavote esephelile, kukhethwa abantu kanjalo ngeendawo ngokuhlukana kwazo. When they are there ngethukuthukhu zakho, wena mongalimala, they will fail to donate i-20 rand. They don't think ukuthi njengoba belapha it's because of you. Vele noma ngaze kuthiwe bayaphuma lapha, they will go somewhere else futhi. That's how they work. They don't care about you. Angibakhulumi kabi, it's true. Mina ngingufakazi, ngivika izimpi mina zabantu abahethekile emkhontweni, abafise ngathi bangenzani benzeni ukucekela umkhonto phansi. Ngivika lezo zimpi. Angisho ukuthi ukusabisa lokho noma yini, but ngisho ukuthi mina abantu abasey'khundleni namhlanje ngenxa yakho they don't care. So-ke bafethu, hayi ningathuka nje akunandaba mina. As long as ngingabizanga amagama abantu vele ngoba hayi. Kodwa nje ngiyabonga kakhulu Commander Nandi, ngiyabonga mfethu lento oyenzile, abo-sisters bajabulile. Ngiyacela ngathi singaka-understand-a lokho ukuthi emkhontweni ushintsho luzoza nathi. Not labantu abakhethiwe. That's why mina I always say angifuni isikhundla somkhonto. Mhlambe siyashintshana isikhundla, I don't know. But I've seen abantu abaseva ngaphansi kababuncamalalo, babuncamalalo engimaziyo ukuthi unhloboni kaPende. They are very different kunobaba. Umuntu engimaziyo engathi unenhliziyo kababa ubaba uMacingwane uWillis Mchunu. Abanye but-ke angisho ukuthi ngithini. Angisho ukuthi ngithini. Kodwa nje bafethu, ayi asisebenzeni sisebenzele umkhonto. Ikusasa lomkhonto lisezandleni zenu, not leadership.